Right now on Showbiz Tonight, it's war. Jon Gosling's incredible move today to shut down Jon and Kate Plus 8, the day after he got fired from the show. But now, Jon's being called erratic, opportunistic. Tonight, Showbiz Tonight with the Jon Gosling Smackdown. Hammer broadcasting tonight and every night from New York City. Wow, what a day it's been. And tonight it is war. Jon Gosling took dramatic action today to try and end Jon and Kate Plus 8. You heard me right. Just days after being fired by TLC, Jon is now refusing to let TLC into the house to shoot the show. These extraordinary brand new developments today made for big news breaking. Listen to this. TLC suspended production on Jon and Kate Plus 8 today after Jon Gosling filed a cease and desist order demanding that they stop taping the reality show. In fact, he even posted a sign on the front gates of his house telling them, hey, get lost. He says he's doing this to protect the kids, but that's not what Kate says. She fired back at Jon today, saying that he never had a problem with the kids being on TV until he got fired from the show. Showbiz Tonight wants to know, whose side of this story are you buying? But wait, there's more. TLC, they're having none of this. Today, they lashed out at Jon. They called him erratic, self-destructive, and unprofessional. I tell you, it's an all-out battle. And of course, Showbiz Tonight dares to ask, is the Gosling family officially imploding? Joining me tonight in Hollywood, Carlos Diaz, who's a correspondent for Extra. Tonight in New York is Midwin Charles, who's an attorney with Midwin Charles and Associates. It is official. This is outright war between Jon and Kate. Jon today posted this notice right there on the front gates of the home that he and Kate own together, banning all TLC cameras from the property. Jon is saying, basically, he wants to end the show for the good of the kids. He wants to protect them. This is what his lawyer tells Entertainment Tonight, and this is astonishing to me. Jon realized his family was like a train wreck, so he decided to put the brakes on the divorce and on the show, because if he didn't, the family would be in a mortal accident, the victims of a train wreck. Carlos, I hear what's going on. I read that statement, and I'm thinking something stinks here, considering that just 2 days ago, TLC fired him from the show, and they changed the name, of course, from Jon and Kate Plus 8 to Kate Plus 8. Is Jon just acting like a man scorned?
Exactly. It's exactly what he's acting like. How many times have we seen one parent say to another parent in a divorce, oh, if you're going to act that way, then you can't see the kids this weekend? Well, now we got Jon telling TLC, well, if you're going to act that way, you can't see the kids on TV ever. I mean, it's a terrible example of childish behavior from Jon Gosling, and I've said it time and time again, TLC is handling this incredibly wrong. You get the kids out of the equation now, and you have Jon and Kate working through their divorce on camera instead of on ABC, instead of on all these different shows. Get that on TLC. That's why your ratings are tanking, because we're not believing this rosy image that you have of Kate playing with the kids in the front yard anymore. We're not believing it.
You know, you're talking there, Carlos, and I'm noticing the great irony that Jon, through his behavior, is trying to protect the kids, but this very behavior is setting a terrible example for the kids. And now Kate is striking back, and she's also suggesting the only reason that he's doing this is because he got fired. You got to hear what Kate told Showbiz Tonight late this afternoon. She said it very clearly. I'm saddened and confused by Jon's public media statements. Jon has never expressed any concerns to me about our children being involved in the show, and in fact, is on the record as saying he believes the show benefits our children and was taping on Friday with the kids. And Kate went on to say, Jon used to share that belief until as recently as the day the network announced the name change of the show and indicated that Jon would have a lesser role in the show. Midwin, Kate is clearly upset here. She's confused here. Whose side of the story are you buying more, Jon or Kate's?
Well, it's so obvious that Jon is not trying to do anything here but protect his check, okay?
Yeah.
Jon is upset that they pulled the plug on him in the show, and so he's lashing back in one of the few ways that he can. Look how quickly he did this, too. It almost sounds as though this is something that was potentially brewing over over time. I mean, the swiftness and the quickness as to how they went into court and got the cease and desist. Oh, my goodness.
It did happen. It happened lightning fast. And, you know, Kate's not making this stuff up. I can tell you, Showbiz Tonight has dug up the proof to back up what Kate is saying here. Jon did go on the record about the kids only a few weeks ago. He told ABC's Primetime that they were totally fine taping the show. You got to watch this.
Do you ever think about whether the show is the right thing for the kids? If the kids were telling you, we don't want it anymore, you would stop it? I would stop it. But I'm not going to make them film.
That doesn't wash. Doesn't wash. You tell them what to do. They're your kids. They're 5 and they're 8.
They're not being forced to film, if that's what you're getting at.
Carlos, John knows that he said that, and everybody saw it. It really makes him look like a big old doofus, doesn't it?
It does. And what kind of, like, legal advice is he getting when, you know, he says, let's put out this statement, and the lawyer says, yeah, great, we'll put out this statement, when the lawyer should know your client just said on national TV and in several other instances, the kids don't mind taping. It's obvious he is just trying to get back at TLC by using his own kids.
And by the way, doofus is the clinical term that I've chosen to use tonight. No surprise, TLC was not at all happy with the cease and desist order that John put out there demanding that the show be shut down. So TLC responded by suspending production today, but then they let John have it. They just slammed him in this statement. Listen to this. We are aware of Jon Gosselin's recent statements and remain deeply disappointed at his continued erratic behavior. His latest comments are grossly inaccurate, without merit, and are clearly opportunistic. I must point out that until now, TLC's always been very publicly supportive of John. Now I hear this real 180. I'm thinking they are sweating bullets that their biggest show has gone down the tubes. But Midwin, it is John's house. It's not TLC's house. So if he was going to get back at TLC for canning him from the show, this really was the way to do it, wasn't it?
I mean, it really is. It really is. He is the second half of that family, the marriage, and he does have a say in what happens to the children. They're not divorced yet. There's no custody issue yet. So he does have a say as to whether or not the children can be in the show. Now, that said, not only did he say in his interview that he had no problem with the children being filmed, but his actions also belie that, you know, support that statement. He has been filmed almost every single day up until this week. Yeah, so it just makes no sense and has no credibility.
An unbelievable contradiction. So what do you think? Did John deserve to get fired from the show? This is exactly what we asked in our Showbiz Tonight question of the day. Late today, the very first wave of results came in. A huge response on this when we asked on air and online. Jon Gosselin, did he deserve to be fired from Jon and Kate? Look at this. 75% said yes, it was a good thing. 25% said no. I must point out, not everybody is behind Kate here. Our Showbiz Tonight Facebook wall lit up today. Look at this from Shailene B. Kate makes me sick. I hope whatever he's trying to do works and that they cancel the show. Carlos, it seems to me everybody is going to be a loser in the end here. John, Kate, TLC, and sadly, as we've talked about before, the kids.
$75,000 an episode is what they were rumored to be making. $75,000 an episode. You are flushing down the toilet. If I'm the kids, we need to have a summit. We need to have the kids get together and say, excuse me, guys, our college money is going bye-bye. Can you get it together and work something out, please?
Yeah, and let me not be hypocritical here. I've said all along, wow, it would be a terrific thing for the kids if the show does get shut down. But, you know, Kate has gone on and on saying this is what we need to do to support the kids. And I think, I don't know, Midwin, doesn't it ultimately make sense for them to put a halt to the show?
I think it does. I've always been one to say that I didn't think the show was a good idea with respect to these children being able to be functioning, normal, contributing members to society as they become adults. I mean, to see the parents bickering like this on air for everyone to see, I think is detrimental to them. So, yes.
Midwin Charles, Carlos Diaz, I thank you. These are some unbelievable turns in this very ongoing, sad saga. I appreciate you being here tonight.